Most people get this wrong. They think all GPS tracking apps work the same, but Follow Me takes a very different approach that could either be perfect for you or completely unnecessary depending on how you plan to use it. Follow Me is a location tracking app designed to monitor real-time movement of smartphones and share that data with selected contacts. It's commonly used by families, caregivers, field workers, and even small businesses that need basic tracking without expensive hardware. Getting started is simple. You install the app on the phone you want to track, create an account, and allow location permissions. Once active, the app records GPS data and sends it to the Follow Me Cloud dashboard, where you can view routes, timestamps, and live locations from any browser or device. The surprising truth about Follow Me is that it works silently in the background. That means the phone user does not need to interact with the app at all once it's set up. This is especially useful for parents tracking kids or employers monitoring delivery staff. I tested it on a daily commute, and the route history was accurate down to street level with only minor delays. Follow Me offers both free and paid plans. The free version limits data history and update frequency. Paid plans unlock longer history storage, faster tracking intervals, and multi-device monitoring. For example, the basic paid plan allows updates every minute, which is enough for real-time monitoring. One important downside is battery usage. Like all GPS apps, Follow Me drains battery faster, especially with frequent updates. On heavy use, I noticed around 15 to 20% more battery drain per day, so it's not ideal for older phones with weak batteries. Another thing most people overlook is privacy. While Follow Me encrypts data and requires login access, you should only use it with consent. Silent tracking without someone's knowledge can raise ethical and legal issues depending on where you live. In conclusion, Follow Me is a solid and reliable GPS tracking tool if you need simple, accurate location monitoring without expensive equipment. It's great for families, caregivers, and small teams, but overkill for casual users who just want basic sharing like Google Maps. If you want honest reviews like this before installing any app, subscribe to the channel and stay informed.